Uh, What's up, fellow Wolfpack members? Tom Wolf here, and I just want to give a quick announcement before I start this video. This is a quick intro. I'm just gonna warn you, fellow Wolfpack members, just whoever gets scared easy at night, kind of like I am. I am scared easy at night. I'm not afraid to admit it. I would highly recommend not watching this video at night because it's filled with a lot of bullshit jump scares, disturbing images, sounds, all that stuff. So, in the meantime, if you are gonna watch this at night, hope you're hugging something nice and cuddly, and just remember this is all fiction, obviously, but sometimes imagination could get the best of you at night. So without further ado, enjoy this video. Enjoy my creepypasta playthrough, and this will be my last for now, but we'll see what happens for the future ahead. Take it, Wolfie. What's up, fellow Wolfpack members? Tom Wolf here, and we're gonna be playing the Scary Mickey Guys levels, who's Ardo Mix. So let's play like 2 or 3 more of his, because I'm really curious how they are. Like, they're crazy. So I'm gonna play these 3: Abandoned by Disney, Catacombs, Abandoned River Country, and The Last Unforgettable. This will probably be my last row because this guy knows what he's doing, and I like that. It's actually scary. The unknown one, he was good at suspense and it was cool, and it had a nice atmosphere, but this is just actually just fucked up with like jump scares, and it's really cheap, but I just thought I'd just do it for my channel. It's the same the same day as me adding those last 2 Disney things for my Shenmue 2 playthrough, but let's see what else this kid has to offer. Ardo Mix something. He's good. Very good. Very good. I could learn a thing or 2 from this guy. Loading. I highly recommend you don't watch this at night. I'm not even kidding. I highly recommend you don't watch. Wow, you don't even look scary, but the pop-ups are scary as hell, dude. Jesus. Hold on. This guy is insane, dude. He's crazy. What's the point? Oh my god. This is like fucking Tom Wolf material, dude. Good job, Mickey. You're scaring the fucking shit out of me. Really good. Really good. Wow, I'm gonna edit this in the morning. Fuck this. This is scary. You see, like, I don't even want to go down. I'm not sure if everything's time-based with this creator. It's just like a jump scare here, a jump scare here. But, yeah. Maybe I have to go back down, but I doubt it. You probably do. This guy is so full of shit, but he's so awesome at the same time. Really creepy music. Oh, okay. That's really fucking cool. That was cool. Oh, do I have to keep hitting it? No way. I doubt it. The lights are flickering. Oh, okay. This is cool. This is really cool. Luigi kid should be playing this, but I guess I beat him to it. This guy's scarier than the unknown one. I'm very shocked. By far. Oh my god, the unknown one is just like a baby compared to this shit. Watch. This is gonna be a jump scare. Music's gonna stop. Bet you anyone, eh? This is such bullshit, this game. Well, this creator. He's good at it though, so I give him credit. He knows how to do jump scares, like, in a very fucked up way. I gotta give him credit. Seriously, don't watch this at night. This is bad. That was goofy. I'm not sure what that was. loading jump scare right here, guys. My dedicated bros. And Wolfhead. An error is occurred while loading. Please restart level. It's a bullshit. Watch. That's such a bullshit. But watch, here's gonna come. He seems to like to do 3 jump scares all at once, and you don't expect it, but he does do that a lot. I seem to notice that a lot from this one. Oh, that's sick. You see? See what I mean? Careful. I have goosebumps. Oh my god. Not sure what that means. No. Feels like you go down. No. I'm really trying not to over exaggerate, but this is like really hard not to. Like, this is scary. This is actually scary, you know what I mean? Like, I feel like that. I'm not even kidding. God. Do you see that? That's Mickey's body. I'm pretty sure that's his ear. Pretty sure. This game, man. Get ready for the jump scare. Let's get ready for it. The scary part is the suspense that builds too, because you don't know when the jump scare is gonna come either. Okay, that was like really that was like really unnoticeable, so I'm sorry about that. He wouldn't fit. You had to like cram Tom Wolf in there, so sorry about that. I had a feeling. Oh my god. Does that really look like Goofy? It looks like he has like dicks for lips. I'll call him Dick Lips. Oh, that one's open. Oh, screw that. Oh, okay. Didn't seem like you could go through there. Okay. You shouldn't have pulled that. Why? Because it kills me. Good. Had to do something. I feel like I just let out like all the Mickeys or something. Yeah. Why? I'm curious about these Mickey designs they make. I think that's Minnie. Well, that's Minnie. I don't know. Oh my god. Well, if you don't want your childhood ruined, I highly recommend you don't watch this video. Oh shit. Come on. Okay, I had to click R1 like crazy. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna do 3. This is very good. Very good. And I'm gonna end Tom Wolf here until I make levels like this or something. And give it to B-Wolf so I can't win. Well, I guess I just died, but that was a good level too. Alright. 2 more. Let's go. Okay, let's get ready for Creepypasta Part 2. So in this one it says it has 3,588 hearts, and this one only has 823. So we're gonna play this one next, because I want to save the best for last if it is. But so far this one with 2,000, this was really good in my opinion. It was creepy as hell. So we'll save this river one for the last. So let's play the last unforgettable. This guy knows how to make scary shit. Yeah. I can't wait to make levels in this game whenever I get the feel for it and everything, and after I'm done drawing, and after I'm done with work, and I have more time, and I'm sorry about Shenmue 2 again. Yeah, that's about it. This is really good. Hope you all are enjoying my content on this one. And I would not see this stuff at night. I just wouldn't. It's just the images are really, really well done in this. Really well done. Yeah. Okay, let's go. It's a bunch of wires. He likes to do like abandoned Disney levels. He does it very well. I never actually seen the creepypastas of it, but the levels are fantastic on it. That's for sure. Oh, you probably have to go up, I feel like, no? They really make you think what you have to do. It's interesting. Skip. Why would it say skip? I'm always like on edge with these levels because I don't know if certain things trigger another thing. It's really creepy. Yeah, see, like, why did that open all of a sudden? It's just weird. Ooh. The hell? What is that? Oh, okay. Fucking hey, man. Fuck. So far, I think this is my favorite. That was really good. How the hell did that thing move like that? That sticker, that was really creepy. Fuck. Oh wow, this is really good. Oh shit. Fuck, dude. Some good ass pop scares, I'm gonna say right now. Wow. I think this is better. I don't know, dude. I'm like yawning. Yeah, you know, it's normal. Alright, let's see if I can trigger the events faster now. Wow. This wow. Just probably have to go like back and forth. Oh. Yeah, you said to go like back and forth a lot. Okay, so It's really creepy. My God. Okay, so you go back. And it's just gonna come again. It's probably gonna get me again. That is scary. That is really creepy. Fuck, dude. Okay. Now we know Minnie or Mickey's gonna pop out of that cardboard. No, not the like the wooden stakes that like you keep like a zombie out. So I'll be ready this time. Hopefully this doesn't end there because this is really good. All right. So that's what sucks about these though. You really have to be careful. Look how they make them. Look at that. I wish I could get a better view. How they make them is insane. How they actually make the Mickey looks insanely, like, scary. It's crazy. Wow. This is impressive. I'm gonna be careful. It's just one jump scare. Every jump scare is gonna get me, I feel like. I'm ready. I'm scared. I'm actually scared. Get ready for this, get ready. Danny from Game Grumps, he would scream his head off if he played this. Kinda like me, in a way. It's so random. That's why it's scary. It's so random. That one was surprisingly not scary. But I'm so scared. Okay. Oh, wow. That was intuition. Mickey hates bathtubs. This is pretty intense. Jesus. Let's get ready. Go slow because just never know when it's gonna pop out again. Oh. What does this say? True suffering. Could I jump on the little spikes? That doesn't hurt. Well, I call bullshit. I'm stuck in a room. I'm not gonna lie, I really like the music. I really do. Mickey, this is not funny. That's definitely it. There's no way you could get out of that. It's just, that's it. You're stuck in a room. Alright, we're gonna do one more jump scare. Hope you're enjoying this. This would be a great Halloween video, but I can't wait that long. Hold on. Okay, and now we're gonna play Abandoned River Country, so hopefully this one will be good. I like how the Shenmue 2 one was like the least scary by far, and now they're like a lot more scary. I mean, I'm getting used to it, but it's so creepy. Oh my god. Last one. Good thing I just woke up. I don't think I can play this at night. I don't know. We'll see. Actually, no, I probably could, but oh my god, I'd be like twice more scared like I was. Oh my gosh, it's creepy. is a versus level. Why is this a versus level? Play with other players. Oh, I'm so cold. This is very nice. It's not fucked up at all. I love this song. I'm not even gonna look at the screen probably. It's just gonna be a jump scare. River Country. Donkey Kong River Country. Yeah. Night vision. R1. R1 for limited night vision. Okay. Oh, cool. Oh, that's cool. I should, use it more wisely. Okay. I'm basically just giving, like, a feel for these levels and stuff, so, yeah. Well, nothing there. Okay, and the bamboo gate's unlocked. Alright. Does that mean over here? Yeah, I had a feeling. I like this so far. It's nice, peaceful, going through a nice walk in the forest. You know, it's all good. Oh, the gates are locked. Oh, some fucked up's not gonna happen now. Gate 2 unlocked. Oh, those like little cans of tuna like help me unlock them. Okay. The tuna cans. If tuna can't fix it, nothing can. Okay. The country slide. Is this like Splash Mountain or something? Like a reference to that? I don't know. Some Disney references. Well, this is very well done. Cool, cool. I don't need the night vision yet. Ooh. I hope my Wolfpack members are enjoying this. What, you can't go? Just like skips ahead of them. Wait, ooh, I don't want to die. Maybe you do go back there. What? Oh, okay. Because it said I was dying, so... Okay. Ooh. There you go, Tom. That's using your head. There is no hope for you. Under the water. What was that, an Atari? It was like an Atari song. Ooh. I don't need it yet. I want to use my night vision as best as possible. Yeah, I'm definitely not gonna go in the water. Just saying. Just saying. Ooh, I fucked up, Mickey. Okay, you could stop that. There's gonna be one more. I had a feeling. See, he seems to do that a lot. The triple jump scare. He does that a lot. Your formula's getting old, buddy. He's like, what'd you say? I said your formula's getting old, man. Man, if this was the first level I was playing, oh my god. Hey, that's Slinky. And I died. Come on. Let's resume this really bizarre, creepy level. He's so excited. He's like, oh no, because I'm a dog. Alright. I'm like shivering because it's cold and plus it's a little creepy, this game. Oh shit.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Under the water. I don't even want to go there since the kid was running, obviously. So, I wonder if I should. I don't know. Is Mickey under the water or? I don't know if that's foreshadowing. I don't know. I'm gonna do it. Oh, this game's really creepy. Do I go through here? No. I don't want to go where that kid was running. I mean, won't I die? Shit. Whatever. Guess I'm gonna have to. No way in hell I'm gonna go underwater. Oh. Well, I don't want to die either. I go in here? Okay, well, I'm gonna need that locker for something. I'm going slow. Fuck this. Fuck. Wolf intuition finally works. I'm going slow, dude. Fuck this. Well, I'm getting the fuck away from you. I'm sorry, I'm really on edge now. This is creepy. I don't know what this game's gonna throw at me next. That's why it's creepy. It's just a random bullshit jump scare. What is that? No. Fuck, dude. I wish it was like prize bubble so like you don't die. But if you get hit once or you get jump scared or whatever, you just die. You just lose. I never felt this tension in a while for a video game, not even kidding. I'm kinda shocked actually. Perfect the character. I actually do feel like that now. I'm just holding it. It seems like most of my Wolfpack members liked it with my commentary. My bad, with commentary. Oh shit. What's gonna fill up acid or something, right? Or what's going on? I don't want that water to touch me. This atmosphere is insane. But the jump scares are bullshit at the same time. That's why it's really creepy. It's scary. I like it. I want to be happy. I'm scared. Let's be mad. Punch him. Get out of here. Okay, let's get ready for a jump scare. Just saying. Just saying. Let's get ready for it. I'm just being nice at this point. Let's get ready for a jump scare. Like, why the fuck would it not be a jump scare right here, right? Fuck this game, dude. Such a bullshit. Yep. Take a nice shower before you die. There you go. I'm not gonna like this. I am not gonna like this. I wonder if I'm gonna have like a life bar for my breathing or something. I don't know. The epidemic begins now. Are you serious? The level begins now. Oh. Okay. Well. I guess that's it. I guess that's it. Okay, that was so random. Well, I hope you enjoyed these creepy-ass Mickey Mouse levels. But anyways, stay classy, always eat your pizza. And I'm gonna say right now, the little silver things mean I did not beat the level, but the gold ones means I did beat it. I could be wrong, but I'm not sure. But because this one makes no sense, and that's the first one I did for Shenmue 2, but there's no way out of it. There's no way out of it. But these are weird as levels. But it was good. Anyway, stay classy, always eat your pizza. Hope to come back and make some levels for Beowulf or maybe show them off or whatever. And just all that good stuff. Anyways, take care. Hope you enjoyed this video, and hope I didn't give you nightmares for life. Boom chakalaka.